Hey Vogue, it's Sydney Sweeney and I'm getting ready for the premiere of The White Lotus. Come join me! I've been in a cocoon, a quarantine cocoon, and now I'm out and we have a premiere and I'm so excited. I'll get all dressed up. So we are starting with hair. This is my hairstylist, Laura Polko. I'm really excited for everyone to see White Lotus. It's my first time I've done drama, comedy, dramedy, and my character is very different. Olivia's kind of crazy. She's very dry and sarcastic and a little bit of a bitch, so it was kind of funny. I was scared of her at first, and then we found some love. There's always nerves with it coming out, because I was scared shitless for Euphoria. I mean, I forgot to tell my dad about Euphoria. And yes. Because I was filming every day and I was like, oh, whatever, true. I'll tell him. And then I totally forgot to tell him, and he sat down with my nana and my papa to watch. And they never finished the show. It was, yeah.
How far in the show did they get, do you know?
Oh my god, that would be...
The moment I took my top off on bed.
Yeah.
That was the moment. I am here on the stairs eating my lunch. I eat cookies and ice cream every day. The key is to make an ice cream cookie sandwich to get the full effect of the lunch. So I put a little topping, and then it's heaven. So now I'm getting my nails done with Zola. Zola does Maud's nails too. Maud and I tend to share a lot of different beauty tricks. Well, I just got my nails all done and now I'm about to do my face, and my lovely makeup artist Melissa Hernandez will be doing my makeup. We are doing a very clean...
it's very clean and fresh. I feel like the dress is very feminine, so we're sort of playing off of that and just keeping her skin really, really fresh.
Every single time you go to an event and there's just tons of cameras flashing and yelling your name and people telling you to stand here and they're going, Sunny, turn. And you're like, oh my gosh. And then I look at photos the next day and I'm like, why the hell did I hold my hands like this? Why are my lips like this? I critique myself too much. She's fluffy.
She's fluffy, right? And a little bit.
Spray her up.
I will.
My hair falls so fast and easy. I am just about done with hair and makeup. I'm gonna go put my dress on. I'm gonna keep these little clips in to keep my swoop right, and I will see you soon. Hey guys. I feel ready, nervous. I love it. Prada. I feel like I'm looking at myself from like the 60s or something like that. My breakfast at Tiffany's dream. Maybe it's like a little step over the shoulder, show the hair clip. I think I'm ready. I wish I could get on the railing and just slide down.
Over the shoulder, if you do some
Thank you guys so much. I haven't been really I was